Your header is the first thing customers see when they visit your store. It's where brand, navigation, and trust all come together. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to customize your Shopify store header using the Hyper theme, including how to update your logo, menus, and icons to create a polished look that perfectly fits your brand. First, from your Shopify admin, go to Online Store Customize, and select your Hyper theme. Let's start by uploading your store logo, the theme. Settings, use a clear, high-resolution image with a transparent background for best results. Adjust the logo width to make sure it fits nicely on both desktop and mobile. Next, navigate to the header section. In the section settings, choose which menu you want to display. Click Select Menu and link it to your main navigation. For mobile, you can either set up a separate mobile menu, or let it sync with the same one you use on desktop. Now, let's get back to our header setup. For the header layout, choose between logo left or logo center. Set how your drop-down menus open either on click or on hover. Wonder how to customize your mega menu to help customer navigate and discover products more easily? Check out our tutorial for it. You can also enable sticky header to keep it visible while scrolling, or select on scroll up for a subtle effect. Keeping your header sticky improves navigation and conversion, especially on long product pages. Next setting. You can turn on collapse on scrolling and show separator line to make your page look more elegant and user-friendly. By default, the header displays the search and cart icons. To show the account icon and allow customers to log in, enable customer accounts in your Shopify admin. Once enabled, the account icon will automatically appear in your desktop header. From there, you can choose how the icon is displayed on your store. The header also lets you add extra actions like find a store, track order, or any page not already included in your main menu. To set this up, just add a custom link block and adjust the relevant settings. Finally, preview your header on mobile. Hyper's header is fully responsive across all devices. Here, you can also enable the language selector and country/region selector if your store supports multiple languages. You can also display social media icons so customers can easily connect with your brand. Not sure how to set up the language or country selectors? Check out our related help guides, linked in the description below. And the last step. Adjust the padding for your header and navigation to make everything look balanced. Don't forget to set your navigation colors and positions for a perfectly polished look. That's it. Your Shopify header is now fully customized and ready to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow FoxEcom to learn more about building a complete Shopify store. Thanks for watching.